everyone, today I'm going to do a review on the Libmin Rinse and Ring Microfiber Mop System. I got this at Walmart. I thought that it would be great for the floor, and the floor is dirty. I have been using this for a good month, give or take. That's kind of what I do. Is I use it for a while and then I do the review after I have used it for a while. What I wanted to tell you real quick is this is how you change. So it does have the little thing that comes off, and I'll come up a little bit closer. And then you can take this out. Let's see if I can, there you go. So it does come out so you can clean it easily. It has the dual chamber, which it does have the dual chamber. So this one here is where the water is. This is where it's not. Here's what it looks like up close. It's just irregular. It looks like almost like a garbage can. Here it will say dry and wet. This one is dry and wash. And then it does have this little, it's like a little piece of plastic that will probably, when you put the mop in there, it pushes the mop to get it cleaned. So let's do this. So we're gonna put this on, and it's very easy. Is all you do, stick it in. Boom. Then this here is how you get it to stay in. See, that's how you get this to stay in. Now I'm gonna stick this over here first. Now I do wanna talk about the mop head and the mop handle and things like that. The handle, I'm going to show you the handle. The handle has a squishy handle. It has it where you can, this moves so you can hang it up on wherever, and it is there. This here is much more better, and is all you have to do is if you wanted to put it away and you didn't have a place to put it, boom, this comes off. Then it comes off right here for the handle. So you can make it different, whatever, you know, whatever you want on that. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the actual head itself. So on here, I like this. It says right here, this way up. And I like this too. For some reason, when I'm mopping, I always go like this. There you go. And I'm holding onto this part. It's just easier for me to hold onto it as it's going in, and it just reminds me that that is the way that it is supposed to go. Here's the microfiber. This one has been used, of course. I use it for a while to see how it is. It does pick up dirt and grime. So let's put this together, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. It's just easy. Now let's put this on the floor. So I'm gonna go a little bit out so you guys can see. And then also, again, hold on to, I always go like this. Here's the wash. So one thing I wanted to tell you is if you go like this, and I'll show you here, it will not go down. You have to put it in this way in order for it to work. So then I just go like this a few times. Same thing, go in here, boom. Now, when I am washing the floor, you can tell a difference, and I will show you the difference. I'll show you. Now here's what it looks like, okay? We're gonna stick it in here to clean. See, it took off all the junk. And I'll show you some pros and some cons. And this is what it is after. You can just see it clean. You don't even need to put anything on it because the microfiber does all of it. Now there is a few things that I'm not too fond about, so let's get into that too. Now what I wanted to show you too is with this flapper, it does take out the garbage, so that's good. And getting all of that stuff. The only thing I don't really care for is I'm gonna take this off so I can do this there. So when I'm putting the mop in like this, I'm cleaning it, which is good, okay? But when I'm putting it into here, it's putting all of the dirty water that is in here in the clean water. So, and then if you look here, you're getting very minute water. You're not getting a whole lot of water. So when you're doing this, it's really dirty water already from putting this in there. But then when you do this, it's putting even more dirty water. So really, you're washing your floor with dirty water. I don't really like that. I wish they had something to where it wasn't so dirty. Yes, this is going to be dirty water because I have this into it. But by going like this, and it's already in the dirty water, and then I'm squeezing out the extra dirty water, I don't really like that. And really, you're not getting so much in here. You're getting more into the wash bucket than you are into the dirty bucket. So that's what I don't like about that. They could have like moved it to like where you're going like this and it's squeezing out the water on this side maybe, other than going like this and it's squeezing the water back into the clean water. I don't really care about that. And I don't like this part either, that you can't flip. See, it won't let you flip this. So this dirty part right here is always stays dirty because you have to flip it like this. So you can't hardly ever get that clean. So when you're doing your housework at house, you know, your housework at house, your housework and your house, you're not going to get the dirty like I am in my rabbit barn. However, it still is a thing. You know, for me, I want to make sure, even though I'm still getting this part, because this part is touching my floor also. So I don't want to have to keep on doing that. And you can't go anywhere. You try every which way and you can't. And I've tried flipping it, switching it, everything, and you can't do that. So that's the thing that I don't like. The thing that I do like about it is that when you go like this, it's cleaner than a lot of the other buckets and mops that I've tried for my rabbit barn. So that is a good thing. Let me see. If we take this off, and it does come off, this is what it looks like off. So it does have where it's breathable. So it's not where it goes through, unless it goes through right here, but I don't see that it goes through at all on there. So maybe it's just to breathe to when you use this, it will keep it dry and not mold under there is my guess. Now I've used this one here for a good, like I said, month or two without washing this, and look what it looks like. Now, after I've done the wringing and stuff like that, this is how much water you're getting. So it's not wringing all of it out. It's not wringing all of it out. Okay, so what I'm noticing is there is a flap here. And it is gonna go in this part of, so it stays on. That's another thing that I do like about this, is that it does stay on. I don't have any problems like getting it where it falls off. And that's probably because it's on this little thing. So then you have to see it goes like that. So see, push that on and then you just, boom, done. As I'm doing this, okay, I have water on it right there. See how it's doing that? It looks like there's a hole that goes, see? I don't like that. Now look at my water. That I don't like. I hope this video helps you to figure out if this is the right mop for you. I like it for in here, but there is a lot of taking the water out, replacing it and things like that. But that's because we have a huge, see, we have a huge mess every day because some of the rabbits like to potty on the floor. So we have to have a good mop, and it is sturdy. That's another thing I wanted to tell you too, is it is sturdy. So when you're pushing on it, it doesn't feel like it's gonna flex and fall into pieces. So I hope this video helps you, like I said. If there's any questions or anything like that, feel free to put it in the comment section below and I will try to get to your questions. Other than that, I would say that this is a good mop, altogether mop. There is a couple things that maybe they could change for this thing here, for maybe having the actual good water to the bad water. All the water is going into one thing. It just doesn't make any sense to me. So, and then the other thing too is I'm wondering if this area here, because if you look, there is no hardly no water. I'm wondering if it's for when you're ready to, here you go, let me try this again. I'm wondering if this part here, they want you to do this when it is drying, because it does say dry and wash. However, it just doesn't seem to me, even if you're doing this, it just doesn't seem, it seems kind of weird. Like, yes, I understand that maybe this here you can have it to dry or whatever, but you would think that this here would be for that too, and it wouldn't go into the clean water. I don't know. However, it is an okay mop for here, and we will keep on searching for different mops and different things that keeps our life easier in the rabbit barn. So that is my review. Is yes, it is good. There's just some things that we don't like. But I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.